Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok user search function. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Tap open your TikTok application and from your home screen, tap on the Me button at the bottom right. At the top left corner, you'll be able to see a human plus icon. Tap on it. And if you want to find the TikTok users from your contacts, then click on Find Contacts. Synchronize your contacts by tapping on Sync from the pop-up, and you'll be able to see all your contacts if they are using TikTok. If they are not, you'll be able to see the Invite button. You can tap on the Invite button and invite them to TikTok. If they have a TikTok account, then you'll be able to see a Follow button at the right corner. Simply tap on Follow in order to follow them on your TikTok. You can also search for contacts by tapping on Find Facebook Friends, and all of your Facebook friends that possess a TikTok account will be listed on this page. If you want to follow someone on their TikTok, then tap on the Follow button, just like that, and that way you can use a TikTok user search function. If you just want to search for anyone on TikTok, then tap on the Discover button from your home screen at the bottom and search for the username of the person in the search box. That way you'll be able to use the TikTok's user search function. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.